Well, maybe I was saying, show say I shouldn't touch it on the GFA and someone. There's still time to talk about it. There's still time to talk about next week. Everybody about walk up now. How ready has of folk for the coming season?
Their signings.
Signings no more, you know, against Heart of Lance. How Heart of Lance is also ready for the coming season. Near one send one summon Swiss here. Then you look at drawn a buy and a quarter and a Kabili. Last week you were higher drawn a buy to touch on it, but next week you become proper. I read the Kabili team, you read the quarter team as against our Ghanaian opponent. I'm on the Ekom near there. Part take over now you heard and next draw.
I'll go quickly and Sika Tokurom. Game we are started. Aston Villa or Newcastle still have a ball. Either side to win.
Okay.
We show more last 5-6 games. Either home or away. The game we live in play. A crossroad. To sign for them for
okay.
Aston Villa or Newcastle. Yes, I share.
I'm saying we cook. That can be kakra and kon kakra. Beam fish roll.
Yeah.
Beam. Hey, party we huni emu biu.
We have this figure. Any Bayern Munich. They got double chance and both teams to score. 2.07 points. It's data. Sremu kakra.
Data so dey mi mu kakra.
Sremu kakra. Yasako Dutch League. Yako final Rotterdam straight win.
Okay.
On the Excelsior na bebo. In Belgium, Club Brugge yako away win. On the SV Zuid-Waregem. Club Brugge this season on form pa ti obewini. Slovenia saw ye obewini in that game. Away omu form. So ye one team omu form. There's one team in Greece, Paphos.
Okay.
A man for insurance this season. Yeah, Paphos. Remember man for the bet Paphos.
Okay.
Then your last pick your PSG and in Nantes. You call straight win for Paris Saint-Germain. Bayern Stuttgart both teams to score and yes, Villa or Newcastle. So that game where ball live. Final to win over Excelsior, Club Brugge to win over Zuid-Waregem, Celje to win, and then PSG to win over Nantes. Okabo my around 11, but to see live odds and a bit shooting up 13, 14.
And that is the code, right?
Yeah, it's the code no. On the platform, on the Betway platform, BWAC 51146. BWAC 51146.
Fantastic, yes. Thank you so much, Vipa. And then the Maka actually will say, Mustafa Jidin so by Vipa Kwasari, as so by, and the by Spirit Recovery going out to you, Mr. Fred Aka, live or Tamale. Mr. Aka, live or Tamale. Yes, Yamin Farmer came home, some dreamo. Thank you so much. Camera, thank you so much. Sound, the director, Sarah, and producer Filippo 2K47, and Task Sports crew came on there. And my day, bro, me didn't catch what I can say, once again. Mr. Said so, the late CEO of Kololo Impression for Kremaya. We say, Yamia Domna Dumbi Dumia. Next week, you better sign up by that. Say, okay, on there, Emily Sports Arena at the bye. Yeah. Bye bye, because we're Adom TV.